Moores RV Museum, and we get to take a look at the 1973 Winnebago Brave. I mean, this is an iconic RV if you think about it. I mean, Barbie had one of these. And now the Winnebago's come out with the new version of the Brave, so I'd love to do a review of it one day, because of course it'll have all the modern amenities in it. But for today, we're going to take a look at the 1973. This one had a 2500 Onan generator, it had air conditioning, and a 440 Dodge motor, and the buddy seat. I didn't really get what a buddy seat was, but we'll show you when we get inside. You can see that the Brave is in really great shape, and the aluminum siding is just beautiful. The colors, the rep bars, it's just really neat. So let's go inside and check it out. Come on in. I want to show you this. It is so cool. I'm not really sure how long this is. I couldn't find that information anywhere. But I mean, it's got everything you need, right? Here we are in the kitchen. 3-burner cooktop. Love that. The oven. That's always a great feature to have. Not a lot of countertop space. You know how I feel about that. And only a single sink, but you know, that's still good. Lots of storage up top. Drawers down below, you know, with the feature to hold them in place. It's got quite a refrigerator. Take a look at that. That's really good for this size of rig. And if we keep coming back, check out the storage in here. And then when you come back, there's the couch, or it would obviously make into a bed. So there's probably sleeping for 2 anyways. And more storage up here. Some of these things would have had fold downs, but this is just storage here. And then more closet space with the mirror. So, oh, I also see the furnace was in there. So if we're moving back on down this way, you'll see that they've got the usual fold down dinette. So this would make a bed for another 2, and more huge storage. And because this is a Class A, oh, let me show you this first. Ta-da! The bathroom. Okay, come on up and check out the cockpit. So, this one had the buddy seat, and it was so that 2 people could be passengers at the same time. You know, granted, this was before the whole seatbelt thing. But it's a pretty cool place to drive. Big windows. It'd be neat. Oh, I noticed there's a level here. Can you see that? My dad would have loved that, because then as he's driving, he could have told just how level the rig was when he was parking. Well, I hope I fulfilled your Winnebago Brave dreams, because I know when I was a kid and Barbie had that camper, I just wanted to be in one so bad. It would have been so cool to see this when it was first put out. But anyways, I finally got to go in a Winnebago Brave. Yay! So if you liked this video, we're going to show you some more, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button.